You search for how to buy shares of Kinepolis Group NV. Kinepolis is a European cinema operator traded on Euronext under the ticker KIN.BR. This short guide is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KIN.BR to find the Kinepolis listing. Confirm the exchange and select the correct result listed on Euronext. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Kinepolis Group NV. Verify the ticker KIN.BR, and the market is Euronext before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the example link in the description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.